180 dirham. 180 dirham.
Okay.
180.
Okay?
That's okay. 180 dirhams. Okay. So 180 dirhams. Subukan natin ngayon yung horseback riding tour. Good. Good. Maganda naman pala dito sa kanila. Meron
May
silang
price na.
price. Hindi sila pwedeng overprice, no? Ayan, no? Yung kanilang mga presyo. Susundin nila kung ano yung rules ng kanilang government. Alamin natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ito. Ayan guys, nag-horseback riding na nga kami ng aking asawang maganda. At yung driver mismo natin, yung hinete natin, siya na yung tour guide. Yan daw, garda na yan. Yung ganda ng garda na yan. Libre daw yan pag pumasok ka dyan. Ayan, napakaganda ng lugar.
Community. Lamiri.
Hotel.
Yeah.
Hotel de Ville. Ang ganda ng lugar, ang linis. Naalala mo nagmula tayo ng South Africa, doon sa, yung unang nilandingan natin,
Cape Town.
sa Cape Town. Ganito yung vibe, ganito yung feeling. At ito guys, summer nila to. Kaya lang, umuulan eh. Meron lang ako din naintindihan. Kasi, nung nasa aeroplano kami, nakikita namin, disyerto lahat eh. Pero bakit pagdating dito, parang wala kasi disyerto. Parang ka nasa isang magandang lugar talaga. Na kung saan, ang daming puno. Ayan o, diba? Tapos ang lamig. Kami yun, ang gulo. Tapos summer nila, ayun o, mukhang babagsak na naman yung ulan dun sa dulo.
Pagbulo yung weather.
Very nice place. And we're back. Nandito na yung Laminara. Sulit yung 180 dirhams natin, guys. Tip na natin kay Kuya yung 20 dirhams. Tsaka tinan mo yung effort ni Kuya eh. Sobrang assisted tayo kahit umuulan. Ang galing. Dadalhin pala tayo sa kabila eh. Pipila kasi siya ulit. Baka bawal magbaba. Kailangan yung kung marking ng maayos. Yun yung market oh. Inikot lang tayo. Let's go there. Let's buy something there, mommy. We're here.
It's good?
It's good.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Free tour.
Free tour.
Two round. Old city, those
Old city and the new city.
380 dirham each.
Yeah.
How much?
360.
Oh, 300 together.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's, I thought it was 180. So
Okay.
it's 100.
360.
360. 360 dirhams.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you.
It's good.
Fee
What is it?
40 dirham. Okay?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's your
Thank
tip.
you.
Thank you.
Oh,